Welcome to jjlearnersspot. In this video, we are going to see the difference between LCM and HCF by using division method and prime factorization method. At last, we see the relationship between LCM and HCF.
Subscribe and watch the full video. The example, find the LCM and HCF of 18, 54 and 81. First we see LCM. Put L like this and write all the three numbers separated by comma. Take 3 as a divisor. 18 is divided by 3 and 54 and 81 is also divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. 54 divided by 3, 18. 81 divided by 3, 27. Again, repeat the process. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18 and 3s are 27. And repeat the process until all the numbers reach 1 1 1 1. And take again 3. 2 is not divided by 3. So brought down the number as it is. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Again take 3. 2 is not visible by 3. Brought down the number as it is. 1 3 is 3. And take 2. 1 comma 1 comma 1. HCF. The same method 18, 54, 81. In HCF, the divisor must divide all the three numbers. So 18, 54 and 81 are divided by 3. So take 3 as the divisor. 6 3s are 18, 18 is 54, 81 divided by 3, 27. Here all the three numbers are divided by 3. So take 3 as the divisor. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 3s are 20. Then here there is no common divisor. 2 is not divided by 3 and 9 is not divided by 2. So stop here. HCF. HCF equal to 3 into 3. So HCF of 18, 54, 81 equal to 9. LCM 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. Multiply all the numbers, divisors. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 into 2, 162. Here the LCM is 162 and the HCF is 9.
LCM stands for the least common multiple and HCF stands for the highest common factor. LCM is the bigger number and HCF is the smaller number.
The main difference between the LCM and HCF is, in LCM the divisor should divide at least one of the numbers, but here the HCF the divisor must divide all the three numbers. In LCM we continue the process until the quotient reaches 1 comma 1 comma 1, but here HCF stop there where there is a no common divisor. In our channel, I already explained the concept of LCM and HCF as a separate video. Go and refer it. This is the prime factorization method. Find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 by using prime factorization method. Okay, first factorize the number 336. 336. Start with the smallest prime number that divides the number. 336 is divided by 2, so take 2. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. 8 2s are 16. Again 2. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 9. Repeat. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. 21 is divided by 3. 7 3s are 21. 7. Next factorize the number 54. Start with the smallest prime number. 54 is divided by 2. 27. 27 is divided by 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Write the factors of the numbers. 336 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Note that the divisors must be the prime numbers. Okay. Find the common factors between 336 and 54. 2, and 3. 2 and 3 are the common factors. Okay. HCF equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. LCM equal to, write the common factors 2 into 3 and all the remaining factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, here 3 into 3. Multiply all the numbers, 3024. See that LCM is the biggest number and the HCF is the smallest number. In HCF, we multiply only the common factors. But in LCM, multiply the common factors at once and also multiply the remaining factors.
The relationship between the LCM and HCF. For any two positive integers a and b, HCF int LCM equal to a into b, that is the product of the given numbers. HCF into LCM equal to product of the numbers. By using this result, if you know the LCM of the two numbers, you can easily find the HCF of the given numbers. Also, if you know the HCF of the two numbers, you can easily find the LCM of the given numbers. Note that this result is true for two integers only. Thanks for watching. We are providing math one-on-one tutoring sessions at affordable rates. If you need support, then contact us for your free trial session. Thanks for watching.